Insurance cost. There are two primary costs associated with purchasing car insurance: premium and deductible. Auto insurance premium vary depending on age, gender, year of driving experience, accident and moving violation history, and other factors. Against most state mandate a minimum amount of auto insurance. That minimum vary by state, but many people minimum varied state purchase additional insurance to protect themselves future. Additionally, if you are financing a car, the leader may stipulate that you are carrying certain type of car insurance. For instance, you may need gap insurance if you purchasing an expensive vehicle that will likely depreciate very quickly once you drive it off the lot. Gap insurance can help to pay off the difference between the vehicle value and what you still own on it if you are involved in an accident. A poor driving record or the reserve for completing coverage will lead to higher premium. However, you can reduce your premium by agree to take on more risk, which means increasing deductible. You your deductible in the amount you have to pay when filing a claim. Before the insurance company will pay out anything to you for damage. So for example, your policy may have $500 or $1000 deductible. Agreeance to higher deductible can result in a lower premium, but you have to be reasonable sure you could cover the higher amount if you need to file a claim. How auto insurance works: in exchange for paying premium, the insurance company agree to pay your losses as outlined in your policy. Policy are priced individual to let you customize coverage amount to suit your exact need and budget. Policy terms are usually 6 or 12 month time frame and are renewable. And insurance will notify a customer when it's time to renew the policy and pay other premium. Regardless of where they mandate having a minimum amount of auto insurance, nearly every state requires a car owner to carry bodily injury liability, which cover costs associated with injury or death that you or another drive cause while driving your car. They may also require property damage liability, which other for damage that you or another driving operating your car cause to another vehicle or other property.